Hi guys, my name is Erin and today I am unboxing my Isavera Fat Freezing System. I ordered it a couple days ago off of Amazon. It came a couple days later and I paid right under $100 for it with free shipping through Prime. The reason I ordered this is because I have been interested in kind of the Cool Sculpting system, but I am not interested in the high price tag for those individual sessions at the spa or at the clinic. And so I had done a little bit of research on this online and saw that this was a good alternative. Basically, my understanding of this product is it's a belt that has these frozen gel packs inside. You wrap them around your target area, say for example your midsection, and you keep it on there for about an hour. And over time, with regular use, it helps to freeze your fat cells, and then your body flushes them out, the fat cells, naturally over time, and it helps to kind of sculpt and chisel kind of certain areas where you might have target areas that are tough for fat loss. So I'm really excited to try this, and I'm just going to kind of unbox this so you can see what's inside, and then I'll read the little pamphlet that comes with it with some instructions so you can kind of just see what comes with this entire system. Thanks. Okay, I'm showing you guys now kind of what everything looks like laid out that came in the box. The black thing there is the belt. It's pretty good material. It's got a Velcro thing here. You kind of can open it up and see how wide it is, and it looks like the gel packs there go inside the pockets, and then you just kind of wrap it around your target area. In addition, we've got the fat massager here, the instructions. It comes with 3 of these gel packs that you put in the freezer, the measuring tape, and then the body fat caliper, in addition to the instructions on how to use it. I thought it might also be helpful if I were to read the instruction guide out to you guys, because some of you might not really know what this whole thing is about. It's got some hints and tips. It says that you should wipe down excess water condensation that exists on the gel packs after use. It's best to keep the gel packs as dry as possible to avoid moisture within the belt. You should always air dry the wrap in a dry, well-ventilated area. Some users prefer to freeze the entire belt without removing the gel packs every time. If you choose to do this, beware of condensation and wipe the belt down after every use. Never allow the frozen part of the gel packs to touch your skin or the skin of the treated area. You do not need gloves to touch the gel packs. If you have a smaller area to treat, consider removing 1 or 2 of the gel packs. Individual results will vary and are never typical. To make sure you can tolerate the cold and start the process slowly. If it becomes painful, remove the wrap immediately. After wearing the wrap for 5 minutes, the gel packs will soften. This is normal. They recommend undoing the Velcro and retightening the wrap. Slide your hand between the wrap and skin every 15 minutes. If at any point the skin feels firm, remove the wrap and allow your skin to warm. Try not to shower, exercise, or consume warm drinks 1 hour before or after treatment. The heat will make the fat freezing less effective. You can do activities using our product. However, they recommend you remain seated. Be patient. Fat freezing takes time. The cold exposure will cause apoptosis, which is the cell death, but it can take up to 12 weeks for your body to fully flush out the compromised fat cells. Here's a little part about the science behind Isavera. It says, we did not create our products without rigorous scientific research. Several scientific studies below show that fat cell apoptosis, cell death, can be triggered within a specific temperature range. We developed our wraps and gel packs specifically around this data. During our prototyping, we used a thermocouple to monitor skin temperatures to replicate this range. Our product is patent pending. Our gel is proprietary. Our research was verified by board certified physicians. Now I'm just going to highlight a few of these commonly asked questions. The third one here says the gel packs seem to thaw or melt quickly. Is this normal? It says yes, absolutely. Fat freezing, also known as cryolipolysis, is more about cooling the skin and underlying fat to a temperature range and maintaining it. Once the area is cooled, the gel packs serve as a mechanism to wick heat from the tissue and maintain it at a steady temperature, while the neoprene insulates the area. Simply wear the belt as instructed despite the gel packs melting. It's completely normal. This is a good one. Are the gel packs different than regular gel packs? Yes, the gel packs are formulated differently than regular gel packs. They have been designed to do three things: reach ideal temperatures for fat cell apoptosis, wick and distribute body heat, and remain flexible when frozen. They have undergone extensive testing with a thermocouple to make sure they are reaching optimal fat freezing temperatures while avoiding risk of frostbite. They contain proprietary non-toxic ingredients. How do I use the body fat massager? After using the wrap, we highly recommend a simple massage in a circular or rolling motion for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps break down the damaged fat cells. We highly recommend a body lotion with the massager. The massager also works well in the shower for any areas with cellulite. If massager is uncomfortable, massaging with your hands without the massager can also be effective. All right, guys, well, I hope that this is all very helpful for you, and I'll leave the link to the Amazon thing. I'm not getting any kickback from the company. This was just something I had researched myself, and I'm interested in trying myself, and I'm considering putting some before and after and progress kind of videos online just to kind of show you how this is working or not working for me. But I'm excited to give it a shot, and maybe you'll hear from me soon. Thanks.